Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, June the 5th, 2023. We have not so good news because we have only a regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. And why it's not good news? Because in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. No additional with extra puzzles. What I will do is the weekend edition. We have several puzzles left in the puzzle page and in the additional. I believe 2 puzzles here. No extra puzzles. Okay. So puzzle page we have 2 puzzles and the additional 3 puzzles. After this puzzle. In the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles in the of the weekend edition. Okay, what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, Max Verstappen has won the race again, Formula 1 in Spain. It's his 40th victory. 40th victory with the Formula 1 race. Alright, let me start with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number 6541, I believe. Let me check if this is correct. 6541. No, 41. 6541. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, a lot, 29 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be easier than the 1 star puzzle. For the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 14 minutes. I do not know. We'll see. So let's get started. Yeah, 2 minutes already passed. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 1, 2, 3. No. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 6 should be there. Then 1, okay. 4, need a 7 here, need a 9 here, need a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Is here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2. Can be 2. Alright, in this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 in this column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 5, need a 4 here. Let me think. 9, 7, 8, no, 9, 7, 1, 9, 7, 1, 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. And we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2. 2. Alright. 7. Okay, 3. Need a 3. 3, 1. 3, 1, 5. 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. Here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this column should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3. Alright. 5, 5. Okay, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here 6 in the first column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6 are right. Okay. 5, 5. Oh. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. Then. 9, 9, 9, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. In this box also. So the 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. First column, no 8 in these two boxes here. And 8 in the third row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8, 8. Then 1 and 3. Okay. Then 3. Come on. 7. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 9, 9. 3, 4, 9. Well. 3, 9, 8. 3, 9, 8. Come on. 4, 4. We have a pair. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row. We have a 4 and a 9 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have also another pair in the last row for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 8. So the 1, 5, and 7, 1, 5, 7. 1. So 3 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. Let me mark those. 1, 5, 7. Here also 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. Let me mark those. Yeah, come on. 1, 5, 1, 7, and need a 9 here, need a 9. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number is a 9. Well, here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 in the middle column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 and 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And look, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 1 and the 7. Okay. And now. Let me see the 4. Need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and 4 in this row. So no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Then 1, 3. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and 8. Okay, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 9. 4 and 2. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, so and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8. 9 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 5 should be here. Here are these 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 9, so this box should be a 5. So these 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Minus 2, yeah, definitely faster than 50 minutes. Yeah, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again, yeah, in the evening with other puzzles in the additional and the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.